Hi, it's Michelle from Country Morning Creations, and I am super excited to open this in front of you. I did a, I did a journal swap with my friend Collette from both Instagram and Facebook. We message each other a lot. I think we have a lot in common. Sorry, grabbing a drink of water real quick. So, without further ado, let's see what she sent me. This just literally arrived and I just picked it up. So I did open the box so that you didn't have to sit there and watch me fumble through opening the box, but that's all I've done. So, oh my goodness, she sent me napkins. Look at all these gorgeous, gorgeous napkins. Oh, I see collaging and decoupage in my future with all of those. Those are beautiful. Thank you, Collette. And then let me grab my scissors real quick, and I'm just going to cut the end off of this. Now, she has posted a couple of pictures, so I've had a little sneak peek, but I am super, super excited. So we both did a soft cover on ours, and we were going to do TN size, but I don't think either one of us did that. Look at this gorgeous coffee dyed ribbon. That is amazing. And then it's wrapped in this gorgeous green tissue paper. Look at that. And there are, oh my goodness, that's a seed packet that actually has seeds in it. And some really pretty paper. And there's a personal note in here, which I will not read out loud because it's personal. Now let's see if we can figure out how to get in here. Oh, yay. My grandmother, I don't know about you guys, but my grandmother used so much tape it was impossible to ever get into any of her packages. Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, the sari ribbon. So I'm going to take this off first because what you can't see is there's a bunch of stuff around the back. So she has included, I'm not quite sure. Oh, it's clipped on. I get it. All right. So this was all clipped on and it opens up. Oh my goodness. All right. So this looks like this is the front and it's got this gorgeous linen. We both used the linen and did a soft cover and a key and some embellishments. That is too cute. So now I have to go to the back and see what this is. This is like a flip out. And it's attached. So it has, oh my goodness, this is a picture from the Outlander TV series. And there's a bookmark with somebody who looks similar to Jamie. Oh, I recognize this. These are botanicals. I want to say, I'm guessing, but I'm pretty sure those are botanicals from Dot Studio Inspiration. And then I can tell this opens, but I'm not quite sure how it opens. Oh, it just opens. And then you open the flap and there's an envelope and more paper inside of here. Oh my goodness. And there's a magnet in there. That's why I couldn't figure out how to open it. Oh, Collette, this is amazing. Just all of this on the back. All right, so I guess it's time to get into the middle, and it looks like she printed or stenciled this and some old music. We both did music on the covers of ours. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Oh, look at this. So I know that she has a calendar that has all of the Outlander pictures in it. So I think she used that for hers. And this is very similar to the Fraser plaid. She may have even printed that out, and there's some more of that. And look at this. Oh my goodness. Just full of all kinds of wonderful things. Dragonflies. And there is the beginning of the Sky Song and dragonflies. Oh my goodness. Dragonfly and Amber. She actually used some book pages, it looks like. Let me see if I can get these to slide back in there. I can. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, I think I'm skipping too many pages. And then she used some botanical prints. Look at this. this? Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. And there's a tag in here. That, I think, is also from her calendar. So I've decided I need this calendar. Look at this. I love it. And then some blank-ish pages, dragonflies. And this is just paper clipped. Oh my goodness, look at that. And that just comes right out. This is gorgeous, Collette. I cannot get over this. So she included some book pages as well. It looks like these are bigger though, but they may be from a hardback copy. Anyway, and then let's see. Oh, that's a beautiful postcard that's clipped in there. And then some digital stamping and some other things. This looks like, I'm not sure if this is digital stamping. I think it is. And then some more book pages. Oh, the flowers are just gorgeous in here. Oh, and you know what? She's done what I've done before too. So each of her signatures are held in with this piece of sari silk. So I can take each signature out individually. And then, oh, look at this tag that she made. And there's the dancers. And then we'll keep going a little bit more. Some more digital stamping. And more book pages. And oh, this is gorgeous. I'm not sure who that's from. I'll have to find out. But that is gorgeous with that dragonfly. So, yes, if you don't read or watch the TV series, you would not get this. And why this is so gorgeous. Claire touching the stones. Look at that. Oh my. And this is a floating pocket. And so Jamie and Claire in this floating pocket. I love, love, love it. And that is the first signature, and this is the second signature. Wow, another postcard. And thistles. Dictionary page. Book pages. More dragonflies. Oh, this is beautiful. This has been stitched around and is a little envelope. Love it. And then, oh, look at these metal pieces in here. And then, oh, this is one of those pages where it's all those little pieces. Oh, Collette, this is just amazing. I cannot get over the hours you must have put into this. Some more digital stamping and coffee dyed paper. Another printable. And then again, she has this tied in the middle, so I can take these out individually. And a postcard with dragonflies and another one. More dragonflies. So, Dragonfly and Amber. I just finished that one, by the way. I'm on Voyager now. Wow, this is a beautiful crest. I love that. How much fun. Tons of writing space. Look at that. Oh my goodness. These are beautiful. And again, more of that dictionary page. A big pocket. So again, the sky song and dragonflies. And there's something in here. More about dragonflies. And then this is another tag with quotes and another dragonfly tag. Holy cow. These are just gorgeous. Let me see if I can get this to go back in here. Looks like I'm struggling for some reason. All right. There we go. Now I got it in. And then there's a whole nother, so this, oh, this whole thing pops out. And so, oh my. And then there's a pocket back here. So this whole piece pops out. And then this is a whole nother little mini journal that I could probably even take. That's arriving at Lallebrock. And that's at the Stones, probably the first time that Jamie tried to send her back. Tuck those in, and then there's a little dragonfly, more dragonflies. Oh, look at that picture. That's when they were in Paris. They look so young there. And then a little envelope in the center. And a tag, another tag. That's the wedding. And last but not least, look at these. I love these digital prints. I think that's saying goodbye at the Stones, and then that was one of the ones from I think they used that in the movie, I mean in the TV shows. So all of those are from her, that. Oh my goodness, Collette. Thank you, thank you. I almost could cry. This is so beautiful. I love everything about it, and I am so inspired to go create some other things as well. This is absolutely stunning, more than what I could have ever asked for. Thank you. And I hope that in some of this stuff, you've seen something that may inspire you to be creative today as well.